What is Jenkins and how to install it? Jenkins is an open source automation server that streamlines the software development process. It is widely used for continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, making it essential for modern software development. Key features of Jenkins include automation of building, testing, and deploying applications, support for various plugins to integrate with different tools, highly customizable to fit various development workflows. To install Jenkins, follow these steps. Ensure you have Java installed, JDK 8 or later, as it is a prerequisite for Jenkins. 1. Download Jenkins. Visit the official Jenkins website and download the installer for your OS. 2. Install Jenkins. Run the installer and follow the setup instructions specific to your operating system. 3. Start Jenkins. After installation, start the Jenkins service using command line or service manager. 4. Access Jenkins. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 8080 to access Jenkins. 5. Complete setup. Follow the setup wizard to install recommended plugins and create an admin user. To summarize the installation process, ensure Java is installed. Download and run the Jenkins installer. Start the Jenkins service. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found